We can consider documents created in the Amidine app as a sort of a digital piece of paper. But in fact, there may be an unlimited number of such papers in a document. In Amidine, these papers are called sheets. With the help of sheets, you can create web or UI design element sets, various illustrations, or even complicated art where parts of graphics are shared among sheets. Sheets can be exported individually or as the whole set. But we'll get to that at the end of our lesson. First, let's explore how to create and what operations can be performed on sheets. There are several ways to add sheets to a document. One way is through the Sheets panel. To access it, tap on the Sheets button at the bottom of the Document tab of the inspector. The panel shows all active sheets. In our case, there's only one. We can also set type, size, and other settings for the selected sheet by tapping on the Gear button. To add a new sheet, simply tap on the plus button. By default, a new sheet has the same size as the one that was previously selected in the list. We can add as many sheets as we need. To manage Sheets order, tap on the icon next to the plus button. Choose the necessary layout and tap Rearrange. By double-tapping on a sheet in the panel, we can rename it. To hide a sheet from the view, tap on the eye icon next to its name. To delete a sheet, swipe it to the left and tap on the trash icon. You cannot delete a sheet if it is the last one. Can we change the position of a sheet? Well, yes, we can. This is done with the help of the Sheet tool that is located on the Tool panel. Once the tool is activated, the Control panel displays related controls. The position, size, and orientation of the sheet can be set through the Control panel, but it may be more convenient to do it manually. Simply tap on the sheet and drag it to the desired position. By pulling handle dots, you may also change the size of the selected sheet easily. The Move Artwork with Sheet option lets you move objects located on the sheet together with it. Usually this option should be activated. Even if a small part of a path or shape is present on the sheet, it will be moved with it in such case. Once we're done and want to export created artwork, choose Share, Export in the Program menu, and in the dialog that appears, select the necessary export format and sheets we want to include via the Scope drop-down list. This will allow us to export all available sheets or only the needed ones. Well, that's it for Working with Sheets lesson.